Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize or how to enable always on display in this device. For this, go to settings and here you can see the option lock screen and AOD. Tap on this one. Now here you can see always on display. So here I didn't enable this one. Now I am going to enable this one. Now tap on the option always on display. So after enable the always on display, we can customize the always on display. So if you want to view the lock screen wallpaper when the always on display is enabled, you need to turn on this option. And if you want to view the show now bar on the always on display, then you need to turn on this option. Here you can see one more option, when to show. If you tap on this one, here you can see some options. Tap to show auto always as scheduled for new notification. So here I am going to select the option auto. Now I am going to lock the device. Now you can see the always on display is enabled. You can see this is lock screen. Now here I am going to select the option tap to show. Now lock the device. Now make a tap. You can see always on display. Okay, so simply in this way you can enable or you can customize the always on display in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.